Ma'am, we will continue with second question.
Yes, beta. Now we are going to continue with the second question. What is the second question?
Ma'am, the second question was,
What are scheduled languages?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yes, tell.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, there are 22 languages mentioned in the Constitution of India. Some of these are Hindi, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Urdu, Bengali, Assami, Sindhi, and Gujarati. These languages are called scheduled languages.
All right. Yes, this is correct, but this is not the language what we are going to write. We are not going to copy it from the book. See, what are scheduled languages? The languages mentioned in the constitution are called scheduled languages. Okay. The answer I have typed in the chat box. Then you have to tell they are and the various languages that are given, which are Hindi, Marathi, Punjabi, Hindi, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Bengali, Urdu, Assamese, Sindhi, and Gujarati. Oh shit, it's Gujarati. The complete answer is in the chat box, children.
ma'am,
Yes.
what you have written last, Gujarati?
Gujarati. Instead of G, I typed F. So please make the correction. I have done the correction as well. It's Gujarati. All of you have got this answer, or somebody who has joined late has not got it?
Ma'am, what we are doing?
We are doing, Mehul, what were we doing in the last class? We are just continuing that work. What are scheduled languages? Everyone has written this answer?
Ma'am, I am writing the language.
For 3 minutes. Type.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am copying question number 3. Ma'am, I have written question number 3. Ma'am, I have written question number 3.
Ma'am, I have also written question number 3.
Okay, read out question number 3.
What is a staple diet? Give example. What is a staple diet? Give examples.
All right. So what is a staple diet? Who can tell?
Ma'am, we are on which question?
Yes.
Ma'am?
Question number
Ma'am,
3.
we are on which question?
Question number 3. What
Ma'am,
is...
can I tell the answer?
Yes, you can.
A staple diet includes the food that is eaten routinely and in large quantities in a specific region.
Yes. And can you give examples?
Ma'am, I could not tell the examples only. Ma'am, rice.
Staple food is the food that is eaten in...
Routinely and in large quantities in a
Yes,
specific
that is
region.
eaten in routine.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in answer number 2, you have written Bengali spelling wrong.
Oh, yes. So, Reyansh, now everybody knows the spelling of Bengali.
Yes, ma'am.
It is. Ma'am, I have written the answer of 2. Can I tell?
Beta, the answer now I have written. Now don't tell that answer. Let's work on answer number 3 now. Okay. Staple food is the food that is eaten in routine, in large quantities, and in a specific region. For example, rice is eaten in coastal areas. Jowar and bajra is eaten in desert regions, and dosa, idli, etc. is eaten in southern states. Fine. The answer is now in the chat box. Everybody see from there.
Ma'am, written the answer.
Okay, let's wait for everyone.
What is question 4? What is unity in diversity?
Ma'am, please send answer in detail. First answer, ma'am, because
First answer now. What is the first answer? Now I don't have it here in the chat box. Beta, now you can see from the work that will be sent on the class group.
Ma'am, I know.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You can do it later.
And then what we do?
Then what we do, we are doing answer number 3. See from the chat box.
Ma'am, when we
And my chat box is empty.
Okay, wait. So I will send you answer number 2 and answer number 3 in the chat box right now. Okay. Answer number 1, you can see from the class group later.
I have written answer 3. Ma'am, I have written question 4.
number 1.
Okay. Garg, now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, when we write for example, so ma'am, can we leave one line?
Leave one line for what? For question?
No, ma'am, when I write what is staple diet, then after leaving one line, then
No. You have to write all together. You have to write it all together.
Ma'am, I have written question 4.
Very nice, Imad. What is unity in diversity? Now everyone has done this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do it.
No, ma'am.
Do it, then I'm
Ma'am,
going
but
to...
I know the answer.
Very nice. If you know the answer, very nice.
And can I speak the answer?
What is the answer?
Ma'am,
Speak. Hurry up.
ma'am, India
Ma'am,
is
can I
a
speak?
country.
No, one person is already speaking, Samar.
Speak different languages, follow different religions, and eat a variety of
Eat a variety of regions.
regions, food,
Regional
the
food.
regional food, the Constitution of India promise equality to everyone.
Okay. So, beta, this is unity in diversity, but we're not going to write it like this. When we are framing an answer, we have to be very particular about the language of the answer. This is as it is, you are reading from the book, that's fine, because our answer will also be around these lines only. Okay, anybody else who can tell the answer?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay, Summer, tell.
ma'am, the answer. Unity in diversity is used as an expression of harmony and unity between dissimilar individuals or groups.
Okay, then after this?
Ma'am, only
All right.
this much.
Okay, what do you mean by dissimilar?
Ma'am, equal.
No, this is not equal, beta. Okay, what is similar? What is similar? these two pens are similar. What do you mean by similar?
Ma'am, similar means same.
Yes, similar means same. And what is dissimilar? Dissimilar is the opposite of similar. Right? So dissimilar is different. Dissimilar means different. And similar means same. Yes, beta, what are you saying?
Ma'am, can I close my video for a while?
Okay. Dissimilar and similar, they are opposites of each other. Similar means same, dissimilar means different. Now, the answer is everyone has done this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Unity in diversity. Unity in diversity means despite being different or despite being dissimilar, we still have unity. We still have coordination. That is called unity in diversity. Now, everybody start typing. I am typing in the chat box. Begin your answer from here. Unity in diversity is unity in diversity unity in diversity means being united.
Ma'am, you are sending in the chat box.
Yes, unity in diversity means being united despite many differences. Okay, start writing first line. These differences are of various types such as caste, culture, customs, costumes, languages, etc.
Then what is
Unity in diversity means being united despite many differences. These differences are of various types such as caste, culture, customs, costumes, languages. It is also food. It is also climate. So many differences.
Ma'am, you will send more?
Yes, I will send more. Have you written this much?
Ma'am, writing the second message that you have sent.
Yes. Still, the people of India are treated same in the constitution. All have same rights and duties.
Ma'am, I have not get the answer.
Why? The concept of being one is unity in diversity. Now, have you got?
Ma'am, then what you have written in the chat box, ma'am, all done.
All done. So soon. How come, Imad? I have just sent and you have done. Okay, Imad, read out the full answer. Read out the complete answer, what you have written.
Unity is diversity means being united despite many different. These different are of various types such as case, culture, customs, languages, and
Beta C. I'm reading out the whole answer. Please check your answer. Unity in diversity means being united despite many differences. These differences are of various types such as caste, culture, custom, costumes, languages, etc. Still, the people of India are treated same in the constitution. All have same rights and duties. The concept of being one is unity in diversity. Okay, it is a long answer. Write all the lines that I have sent because this answer is given an answer in detail. So it has to be explained very nicely in detail.
Ma'am, can you resend the full answer?
Okay. This is the beginning. Okay, now have you got Summer?
Yes, ma'am.
In the chat box, there are 3 different paragraphs that will appear. If you want, you can write it in paragraphs only. Agrim Verma, beta, have you joined the wrong link? Agrim, you are from class 4th C, right? Children, why are 4th C students coming here? Now I can see a 4th A student also. What is wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, here is Shreya Gangwal also.
Ma'am,
4th A, 4th B, 4th C. My God, was I supposed to take all of
ma'am,
them?
what we have to do?
Wait, beta, wait. Just let me check. Just let me check
Ma'am,
in my
what we have to
timetable.
do?
Ma'am, combined class.
Hmm.
Ma'am, today is a combined class.
No. Okay.
Ma'am, I
From
have
4th A.
done
Just
all
wait.
of
Just
the
wait.
question
Listen.
answers.
Be quiet, children. Shaurya and Apurva, please unmute yourself. Shaurya and Apurva.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, how come you are here in 4th B?
Ma'am, there is a class. There is class of English creative.
There is a class of what?
English creative. Ma'am, but the link was not shared on the group.
Okay.
SR International forward the link of yours.
All right. Okay, beta.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have done all work.
You have done all work. And this one also. 4th C also. 4th C? 4th C is also here? No, it's only 4th A who is here. Okay. Now 4th A students, what will you be doing? 4th A, have we done the question answers of chapter 18?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, Shaurya and Apurva. Listen. Unmute yourself and open your mic. Open your camera for a while. Beta, what have we done in chapter 18? Have we completed the chapter?
No, ma'am, we had done only short answers.
Only short answers. So we are supposed to do the long answers also. Okay. Now
Yes, ma'am.
this class is also doing the same work. They are doing the long answers.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I have done
Start
all
doing
answers.
and listen, children.
Ma'am, I have done all question answers.
Okay, you have done all question answers. Now for fourth A, let me type all question answers. Fourth A, are you willing to do question answers or shall we play any game?
Ma'am, game. Ma'am, game.
Only 10 minutes are left. Only 10 minutes are left.
can we do quiz? Ma'am, game.
Okay, be quiet now. We are playing a game.
Ma'am, we can do quiz.
Yes, we can do quiz. Now be quiet. Let fourth B finish his work, its work. Fourth B students, have you done all the answers?
Yes,
Anybody is left?
No, ma'am.
Om, have you also completed? Garv, Om, Devansh Chaudhary?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So now everybody mute yourself. I am going to play a game now. What that game is, in that game you all have to put your cameras on. Everybody's camera is on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. I can't see so many faces. Noel, Bhavishya, Pratishtha, Akshat, Pratyusha. You all have your books before you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The game is the same game you have played before. Word hunt. You have
Yes,
to see
ma'am.
where the word is.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to find out where the word is. Now let me see who is the quickest.
Ma'am, from which chapter you will be giving us the
I will be. Okay, I will just speak out the word. Some very interesting and like a particular word belonging to that chapter. Let me see how much you remember from this social studies book. Okay?
Ma'am,
I will not tell you the page number also. So the real fun will be like who remembers the word is from which chapter. It will be a very specific word from that particular chapter.
ma'am, can you wait for 5 minutes?
5 minutes, Noel. The class will get over in 10 minutes and we shall wait for 5 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
What do you want to do in those 5 minutes?
Ma'am, I was taking out my book.
So
I
that
thought
does
I
not
would have
need,
needed 5 minutes.
this thing does not need 5 minutes. Have you taken it out?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The first word that you have to find is Northern Hemisphere. Now you have to see in which chapter the word was. We have studied it. You will not find this word in every chapter. There is a particular chapter in which this word will be found.
I found it. Ma'am, I
Northern
found it.
Hemisphere.
Ma'am, I found it.
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, it is in
Ma'am,
chapter
I also found it.
of the earth in the revolution, second paragraph, fifth line.
Which chapter number? First tell the chapter number.
Ma'am, the chapter number is chapter 10, India Physical Division.
Beta, I am
Second
talking
paragraph.
to just Noel right now. When one child will speak, nobody will speak in between. Noel started, let him complete first. Yes, Noel?
Ma'am, chapter 6, Motions of the
Very
Earth.
nice.
Second paragraph, 5th line, 5th
Very
word.
good, very good. So, of this word, Noel is the winner. Noel gets 1 point.
Ma'am, you
And the
said
point
northern
goes to 4th A. Okay?
Ma'am, you
Yeah.
said northern plains.
Northern hemisphere. I said northern hemisphere. The next word is government. Government.
Ma'am, found it.
Okay, tell
Ma'am,
hurry up.
found it.
Don't
Ma'am,
say
Ma'am,
chapter
directly
4,
tell the page
civic
number.
sense.
it. I'm chapter 4. Found it.
I found
it.
Ma'am, 4th paragraph. Chapter
Of-
4, civic sense, 4th paragraph.
Okay. Again, 4th A takes this point because of Noel. Now, next time, anybody who finds it will not say, ma'am found it. Don't waste time telling that. Directly tell page number this, chapter number this. Okay? 2 points to 4th A. Now, 4th B, please buck up. The next word is numismatics. Numismatics.
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I got.
Hurry up.
And I also got chapter
Speaking now. Everybody be quiet. Summer started speaking. All of you be quiet.
Ma'am, chapter 2 coins.
Chapter 2, page number 14.
Yes. And Summer, you
Ma'am,
again
chapter
wasted
2,
time.
page number 14.
Chapter 2, page number 14.
Again, you wasted time. No, Summer, ma'am, I know. Why, ma'am, I know. Directly say the page number.
Ma'am, it is in chapter 2, sources of history. And ma'am, the topic was coins and in the last line.
Now,
I'm on page 14.
yes. Class 4th B, 1 point. Class 4th A is on 2 points. 4th B, 1 point. Okay. The next word is. Now, the next word. Rhododendron.
Ma'am, what?
Rhododendron. Let me see.
Ma'am, found it. 14th chapter, the northern plains, Uttarakhand.
Very nice. Very nice. Noel is the one to answer.
Ma'am, last line. First word.
मैंने सबसे पहले ढूंढा.
Krisha. Again, 4th A, 1 more point. 4th A is on 3 points. Good. Very nice. The next word is, now let me see. The next word is Kurukshetra.
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 Ma'am, what?
Kurukshetra. Kurukshetra.
Punjab.
Ma'am, it is in chapter 16. The
Yes.
northern plains and the desert region.
Very good.
Haryana, second paragraph.
Very
And
nice.
ma'am, the line is
Summer.
third line.
Now Summer is the winner. Class 4th B on 2 points. Very good. Very nice. Children, this is so good that you remember the word is in which chapter. These are some key words of. There are some key words in all the chapters. So that's good if you remember. Now, coming on to the next word, that is acacia. Acacia.
Ma'am, chapter number 12, India Physical Divisions.
Very nice.
In chapter 12, India Physical Division and then
Again, fourth A gets one more point. Fourth A gets one more point. So how many points with fourth A? 4 points.
Ma'am, 4. Yes, ma'am.
4.
Very nice.
4
Very nice.
points.
Good going. Good
Fourth
going.
B 2.
Good going. Good going. Okay. Next is the next word is Tehsil and taluks. Tehsil, taluks, blocks, mandal.
Ma'am, it is in chapter. Ma'am, it is in chapter 11 States of India.
Yes.
And
Fourth
ma'am,
B.
it is in
Fourth
Ma'am,
B
second
takes the
paragraph.
point. Good. Very
ma'am,
nice.
second paragraph.
Fourth B on 3 points, right?
Ma'am, 4 points.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many points with fourth B?
Ma'am, 3.
3. And fourth A is on 4 points.
Ma'am, 4.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
1 point.
Look for the next word. Look for the next word now. The Nilgiri Hills. The Nilgiri Hills.
Ma'am, it is in chapter. Ma'am, chapter 12. Physical divisions. Ma'am, in Factpedia. Ma'am,
Okay,
Factpedia
Summer.
of Peninsular
Now Summer has
Plateau.
won this point once again. Both the classes are on same points. Very nice. Very good. Okay. Next. Okay. The next word is samovers. Samovar.
Ma'am, found it. Ma'am, chapter 14, the northern plains. Ma'am, the Jammu and Kashmir.
Very nice. Very
Ma'am,
nice. Very good. So quick, huh, Noel? See, the word was there. Kashmiris drink a special tea called kewa, which is made in special tea urns called samovars. Very nice. So how many points with fourth A? 5 points.
Ma'am, 5.
5 points.
Okay. Arjun Bhardwaj, you are raising your hand. You want to say something, beta? Children, are you enjoying this game?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay. Now I have a request to make to Noel and to Summer. Both of you just mute yourself and let other children get turn. Okay? Because you people are extraordinarily quick, so others are not getting their turns to speak. Fine? So both of you are going to...
Class is about.
No problem. We still have time to find 2 more words. Summer and Noel will not speak, and if you will speak, your class will lose out 1 mark. Okay, 1 point, I mean. The next word is chiro.
I can find that
The
word.
next word is chiro.
What?
Chiro, chiro. The next word is chiro. CHERAW. Chiro dance. Chiro dance.
Ma'am, I got it. Ma'am, I got 15 Mizoram. Chapter number 15. Ma'am, the second
Okay, so Pratyusha. Pratyusha took it. Pratyusha takes 1 point. The next word is...
Chapter number 15 Mizoram.
Very nice. The next word is Mohsin Ram. The next word is Mohsin Ram.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No. Summer, you want your class to lose a point?